In this video, I will show you how to download Pokémon Unite on a computer or laptop. To play Pokémon Unite on a computer, you need LD Player. It's basically an Android emulator that lets you run mobile games or apps on your computer. And since Pokémon Unite is a mobile game, this allows you to play it on a laptop or desktop. And now I'll show you how to do this. Let's get started. First, you're going to open any web browser and search LD Player. And here, make sure you open this website. And here to download LD Player, just going to simply click here. Then you're going to open this file. And simply then you're going to click install. You're just going to wait until it's installed. Once LD Player is installed, go to System Apps and open Play Store. Go to the search bar and search Pokémon Unite. Then here click install. As you can see, the game is now installed and you're just gonna wait for it until it's finished. This is all you need to do to download Pokémon Unite on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.